Hi guys, lesson plan 3, and today we're going to look at the elevator pitch. Also very important because it's also in your POE that you have to do, question 4 of your summative. So without further ado, let me quickly start by explaining what you need to do here. So firstly, in order to understand what I am explaining, I want you to download lesson plan 3, which would be for unit 4, theme 1. So if you go to my lesson plans on VC Learn, you can find it there. Now, although that some of you asked me whether to do AskTask 7 and 4 or 4 and 7 or both, I would suggest doing both. I'll tell you why. Because AskTask 4 specifically talks about you and you selling yourself to somebody that you might meet on an elevator somewhere, and you have 60 seconds to explain yourself. So it's a good way to start this exercise, and I'm sure the guys who've done this before will say that it was easier to do AskTask 4 and then AskTask 7. Now, the thing is, with AskTask 4, it's really only you selling yourself, whereas AskTask 7, you have to go and basically pitch something for somebody else. So for instance, you want a celebrity to come online, so you meet the celebrity in the elevator, and you want them to come online to do something for you. But I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag, because you can go online and you can read precisely what that's about. But for me, what's very important here is that you understand that the elevator pitch is something that you can use in every day. I mean, and the nice thing is, if you've done it, then next time when you meet somebody, you actually already have the words in your head. So important then for you to go, and before we meet next week Friday, will be, let me just see the date, the 24th of April. I want you to really try and do both AskTask 4 and 7. All right. Before or after you do it, you can read through these other non-VC Learn resources that I have here on the lesson plan. Why it's important is that it gives you a good indication of what other people have done, especially when you view. There's one or two of them that have good examples of elevator pitches. I think the specific ones I'm referring is how to create the perfect elevator pitch, and then the last one is how to give you good examples of it. Now, AskTask 7 is question 4 of your summative. So important for you that once you've read all the VC Learn resources, you can then basically go and you can read through question 4 of that summative project and answer it. And the nice thing is, once you've answered it, it's done. So we're sort of ticking off all those things that you're supposed to do for your summative as well as for your assessments. Good. So before I meet you next week Friday, then read through this, do the elevator pitch. Very easy. I see most of the people who have done it for me, I've marked their things. It takes like, I don't know, it really won't take you that long. And if you need to read up about it, go to your textbook and online references. Here they are. Fielding and Deploysal here also has interesting things that you can read about it. But just know that once you've done this and you get feedback from me, you're basically ready to put it in your POE. All right. So that's all for me. Short video today. I'll see you on Friday. What did I say? The 24th of April. Stay safe.